शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णु शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वगीताक्षिभूतं नामातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सर्वं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। Antakarna vrittis are endless. Therefore, how is it possible to have nirodha, termination, destruction of this antakarna vritti? Such doubt should not arise. It is possible. Vrittis are of 5 types, pancha tayyaha, and they can be controlled, they can be terminated by the means of abhyasa and vairagya. Just as this fast flowing river is stopped by a dam and the fast flow is redirected in the prashanta pravaha, a slow and steady flow through the canals to the purpose of the field for cultivation. Like that, this fast flow of antakarna vrittis can be stopped by vairagya, because why they go to the vishayas to get some sukha. By vairagya they won't go. Then it should be rechannelized to the abhyasa, to what? To that prashanta pravaha takes place. Prashanta pravaha. So for this the question comes, see, if it is japa, devata dhyana, where manasa vyapara, manasa kriya is involved, repetition is, abhyasa is possible. Your nirodha samadhi is what? Without manasa vyapara, total vritti rahitya is there. How is it possible to have abhyasa, repeated practice in this case? For which answer is given, the sutra is tatra sthitau yatnaha abhyasaha. Tatra means in this nirodhe, to remove all the vrittis from antakarna or in nirodha samadhi. Sthitau, sthitau means sthitihi, sthitihi is tatra sthitau, that one word, tatra sthitau. What is tatra sthitau? Nirodha samadhi, the meaning is given, sthitihi naishchalyam nirodhaha in the scripture. She is naishchalya, steadiness, nirodha, vritti rahitya. What is yatnaha? Yatnaha, tika, manasa utsaha. Manasa utsaha, that enthusiasm to accomplish nirodha samadhi. So what is that manasa utsaha? Yes, that manasa utsaha will be explained. Swataha eva bahishpravahashilam chittam. Chittam, antakarna, swataha eva, by itself, what is this possessed? this position, Bahish Pravaha Shilam. It is given to extrovert running after the sense object. Its flow. The Chitta Pravaha means, what is Chitta Pravaha? Chitta Vrittinam Pravaha. The flow, extrovert flow of the Chitta toward the sense object is Swataha eva. No effort required. By its very nature it goes. That Sarvadha Nirodhayami. I will stop it by all means. Iti evam vidaha utsaha. Such types of utsaha, enthusiasm, has to be avartyamanaha. Avartyamanaha has to be avartyamanaha has to be that repeated. That is what is called as abhyasa. It is called as abhyasa. So that is abhyasaha iti uchyate. Now, another doubt may be possible. What is it? See, this abhyasa, what for? Chitta vritti nirodha. When are you starting? No. Not that you are starting. At best you can start when? Now after knowing. Whereas, since when the antakara vrittis are there? Anadikala. See, your effort, now you have started, however great genius you may be, even you may take 15 years, doesn't mind. Are you doing, say, you will be able to control this endless vrittis which have come from beginningless of time? So, this is the doubt for which answer is yes, it is possible. To that effect, same, it is possible. It is described. How it is possible? In this manner it is possible, will be described in a sutra. He says, Ayam abhyasaha idanim pravruttaha. This abhyasa, what you are talking, is pravruttaha, begun when? Now. So you discover the necessity of the Ashtanga Yoga, Samadhi, etc. Nirodha Samadhi. Now, again, Swayam Adhridaha itself is now Adhida, means it is not well rooted, it is not firmly established, it is not yet firmly rooted. Adhridasan, being so not firmly rooted, Anati pravruttaha vyuthana vasanaha katham abhibhave. How it can overpower? Katham abhibhave. How it can overpower? What? Anadi pravruttaha, which have settled since beginningless time. What are those? Vyuthana sankaraha. Vyuthana vasanaha. Vyuthana vasana. Vyuthana vasana, accusative plural. These vyuthana vasanas, these samskaras, which are there because of which the mind, vyuthana vasana means mind runs extrovertedly. So therefore vyuthana vasana, katham abhibhave, how can it so the overpower iti ashankya, having doubted. Apavaditum. Apavaditum means to remove this doubt, to dispel this doubt. Apavaditum sutrayati. So Patanjali described the same answer in sutra. What is Samdodha or Yoga? If you are going to doubt, it is possible. This is the Dirghaka Setaha means that is taken to Seta, taken to practice. Dirgha, long period of time. Long period of time, what means study? Nirantarya, continuously, 24 hours. This hours is the main education. How you can interpret the Taksiru, Nirantarya, Skarineta, Karinamit, this will be a Sakani, due addition. Without Laya, Vikaya, Kashaya, Tasva. Carefully, Laya, Vikshepa, Kashaya, Rasasvadana. So when Sevitaha taken to, do you know what happens? Dridabhumihi add bhavati. Dridabhumi bhavati. That yoga becomes Dhrida bhumi means it becomes firmly established in the sense that Nirodha cannot be disturbed by Vishayavasanadi, or it cannot be destroyed by intense sorrows. The Vishayavasanas cannot disturb this Dhrida, the yoga which has become Dhrida, nor even the very intense sorrows in life also cannot disturb this yoga, this Nirodha that is accomplished when taken to Dirghakala Nairantarya Satkara. How it is Dirghakala is explained by telling you a story. Story has come. He tells you a story. What is that? He says, Loka. That means that a story is in vogue. Lokaha hi moodhasya vachanam udaharanti. People narrate this statement of a foolish fellow. So what is that? Say udaharanti. Vidyamanaha chatvaraha eva vedaha. How many Vedas are there? 4. A boy went to study Vedas to Gurukula. This fellow knew, maybe son or something, some other. He went to Gurukula to learn what? Vedas. How many are there? 4. See, Vedaha chatvaraha eva Vedaha. Tan adhetum gatasya manavakasya panchadivasaha atitaha. The boy student who had gone to study Vedas. How many Vedas? 4 Vedas. 5 days are already elapsed. And he said, Adyapi asau na agataha. Even 5 days, 1 day grace given. 4 वेदा को 4 दिन और 1 दिन ग्रेस, तो 5 दिन हो गया, फिर भी आ गया नहीं है, वापस नहीं आया है. न आगता इति. What will you say? 4 Vedas. So therefore, up to 12 standards. अरे 12 days हो गया, अभी 12 standard करके नहीं आया अभी तक. ऐसा, is it that way? So that way. So it tadrisha eva ayam yogi tadasya. This yogi will be that of that time when he expects to accomplish Nirodha Samadhi within a week, 10 days Mahabaleshwar camp. One thing, here we are only studying the text, we are not practicing. Okay? Even asana bhi nahi hai udhar. It is not that. We are only learning the text. So within a week or a fortnight or a month, it is not accomplished. Means the yogi will be of that type, fool only, I said. That will say, Tadrishaha eva ayam yogi tadasya. This yogi will become like that fool when divasaihi va masaihi va yoga siddhim vanche. If he desires or expects the accomplishment of Nirodha Samadhi within few days or within few months. So therefore, Dirghakala Yogaha Asevitavyaha. One has to practice for a long period, sufficiently long period. That he says, Tasmat Samvatsaraihi. Years together. One has to practice. You know Totapuri? Totapuri, who initiated Ramakrishna Paramahamsa in the yoga, so he was surprised. This Ramakrishna, just he got lost and then 40 days he was there. He says, to accomplish this, I had to struggle for 40 years. Totapuri had practiced the Ashtanga Yoga for 40 years. But this man also, he went in Samadhi but doesn't come out. Then he understood. This is some special upadhi which is for the benefit of the world. Therefore, he was personally taking care that no, by force pushing some little morsel of food, something, etc., because he was not able to eat. So that was it. So 40 years, come on. Even that is not, this may not say, Samvatsaraihi Janma Bhiva. Many births, it can be, depends on the individual. Many births, Janma Bhiva, say Yogaha Asevitavyaha. Asevitavyaha should be practiced. And this is also found in where? Bhagavad Gita also. So if so difficult, why should you? Why we should run after this? Come on, what is alternative? You know, one Swami Vivekananda said, many youngsters, having taken sannyasa, were around him. People used to criticize. See, he used to say, only because they are not realized should they go get married and beget children. So the pursuit means the pursuit is so high, you have no alternative. What is the alternative? If a man wants to be really contented totally and totally free from sorrow, come on, what other remedy is there? Even Brahmaloka is not answer. If Brahma Mukti is there, answer. Otherwise, vapas. Maybe up to after Kalpa. Because if not like other Swargas. So that way, there is no alternative. This is the goal. So that is why, there is no, not that Ashtanga Yoga only is the goal. Jnana is the goal, for which, what is said, Drigdrishya Viveka also is the alternative practice, this means as such. So this Bhagavan Lord Krishna also says, so Lord Krishna Smaryate means it is so said in the Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna says, Aneka Janma Samsiddha, having gathered the yoga samskaras bit by bit in many lives. Aneka Janma Samsiddha, accomplished. In how many lives? Many. Means having gathered the yoga samskaras which get carried forward. Having gathered the yoga samskaras bit by bit in many lives. So with that, the momentum is gathered. The momentum is gathered. With this way, tataha, thereby, thereafter. So because of that, the powerful movement generated by the earlier samskaras of practice of yoga, param gatim yati, he gains his sarupa sthiti, which is the most exalted state. Now one may be, Nairantarya is there, no? Bahukale, Dirghakala, Nairantarya is like this. He practices for a very long period, but with interruptions in between. So if that is the case, what will happen? Chiram asevyamanaha api. A yogi who is certainly practicing the yoga for a long period. But how? Yadi, in case, vichidya seveta. Vichidya means with break or a gap in between, in the sense with interruption. If it takes to the practice with interruption, you know what happens? Tarhi utpadyamananam yoga samskaranam. By his practice, certainly what will be born? Yoga samskaras will be born. But thereafterwards, interruption is there, no practice is there. So therefore, samanantara bhavi, immediately thereafter, samanantara bhavi bihi. What are those? Vichcheda kalinaihi vyuttana samskarai. By the means by the vyuttana samskaras, the samskaras which are other than the yoga samskaras, which are they? Were gathered when? During the period of interruption. So therefore, vichcheda kalina, during the period of interruption, which are born samanantara bhavivi, which are immediately born thereafter. Immediately born thereafter means immediately born after the yoga samskaras he are gathered on account of whatever practice he had done. What happens? Abhibhave sati, when by such samskaras, vyuttana samskaras gathered during the period of interruption, when the yoga samskaras are overpowered, abhibhave sati, do you know what will happen? This rule will apply. Apatet. Apatet means apply. What is the who? Which rule? Nyaya. Nyaya means rule. Apatet means will be applicable. What will be applicable? Khandanakaroktha nyaya. The rule told by Khandanakara. Khandanakara, that is the Harsha Mishra. So Harsha Mishra is Khandanakara. Khandana Khanda Khadya. So Khandana Khanda Khadya, the Nyaya he dismisses. Nyaya which used to refute the Vedanta, he dismisses. So there he said, what is under that rule? Agre dhavan paschal lupyamanaha vismaranashilaha shrutavat. Like the shrutavat. Shrutavat means like the student. The student who was studying Vedas or what, any student. So who vismaranashilaha, forgetful fellow, like the forgetful student, who what does he do? Agre dhavan paschat lupyamanaha. While learns ahead, forgets the earlier. You know that Marathi statement, Lala manuni paripathakela magila visaruna gela. Exactly. So while learns ahead, whatever learned earlier, he forgets. Like that will be the plight of the yogi who certainly practice for a very long period, but interruptions in between. What will happen? The Vyuttana samskaras during the interrupted period will overpower the whatever yoga samskaras he has generated. So that was a Shrutavatkam alambeta iti, means he will be of such nature. Alambeta will take support in the sense, so it will result in, means what will be the result now? No result. No, it becomes nullified. So therefore what is to be done? Tasmat nirantaram asevitavya. It should be not only dirgha kala, long period, it should be continuous without interruption. No, without interruption means not that he should not go for bathing, eating, etc. Not that way, but that is the main preoccupation. What is satkara sevitaha is there? There is no honor, etc. here. Satkara. What is satkara sevitaha? Satkarena asevitaha. Satkaraha adaraha. Adara means due attention. So due attention means wording of will be told. Another is what will be told after. The due attention, carefulness means wording of laya, vikshepa, kashaya and rasaswadana. Anadarena sevyamani, if the yoga practice is taken without due care, that was told earlier, sevyamani, vasishtokta nyayaha apatet. Another rules will apply. It will be like other case. What is that vasishtokta nyaya? Akartru kurvad api etachetaschet kshina ek anvaya. Etachetaha. Etachetaha. Kshina chet. Kshina Vasanam वासनम चेत कुर्वद अपि अकर्तृ कुर्वदपि अकर्तृ यथा दूरम गतमना जंतु कथा संश्रवणे says etat chetah, if this mind is kshina-vasanam. So kshina-vasa, what kshina-vasana is kshina? Means that enthusiasm or intentness is not there. Adara is not there. So therefore kshina-vasana means no intentness of practice, means no firm determination of practice, and therefore it is word anadara. What is the word used is if it is with anadara. If the yoga practice is taken to without intentness, means with anadara, then what happens? Chet, in that case, guru adapi akartru. Even if one takes to yoga practice, it is as good as not done. Kurvadapi akartru. Akartru. For which an illustration is given. Yatha, just as duram gatamanaha jantuhu. A person whose mind has gone far away for wandering. And where is this thing? Katha, Katha Samshravane, sitting in the religious, to listen a religious discourse. Right? Jivan Mukti Viveka also. Sitting in the hall, but mind has gone to Sunset Point. Why? Many will be there. When Swamiji will give afternoon leave to go for I had decided not to give because last time I gave, nobody went. Still somebody wants, I think, let me see, okay. So therefore, physically present, but mind running elsewhere, what Katha Shravana will be there? Nothing. So that like that, it is as good as not done. So let us see now, what is that? Anadaraha.
Anadaraha, Daya Vikshepa Kataya Sukha Apariharaha.
See, apariharaha means not removing, not remedying what? Laya, vikshepa, kashaya, sukhasvadanana means not putting forth the effort to get rid of these defects. That is what is anadaraha. Tasmad adarena sevitavyaha. So therefore, yoga should be practiced, sevitavyaha should be practiced with due adara, means by eliminating these defects of laya, vikshepa, kashaya, sukhasvadana. So now, see, sutra says, Satu dirghakala nairantarya satkara sevitaha. What is the result? Yogaha saha dridabhumihi bhavati. It becomes firmly established. So what is that being firmly established? Dirghakaladi traividhyena sevitasya samadhehe dridabhumitvam nama. What is meant by dridabhumitva? Status of having dridabhumi in the case of samadhi, which is sevita, practice for a long time. How? Dirghakala adi. What is that adi? Nairantarya and satkara. So, what is the means? The dridabhumitva, the firmly getting established in the case of the yoga Nirodha Samadhi, which has accomplished the Dhrida Bhumitva, the firmly rootedness, is Chalayitum Ashakyatvam, which is impossible to disturb. Disturb by what? Vishaya Sukha Vasanaya, by the impressions or the desires to enjoy the sense enjoyment, sense object, or dukkha vasanaya cha, by those which gives great sorrows. By these two, that samadhi cannot be disturbed. Tatcha bhagavata darshitam. Tat. Tat means yogasya dhrida bhumitvam. Yogasya means nirodha samadhi dhrida bhumitvam. Firmly rootedness is described by Lord Krishna in the Gita chapter 6 stanza 22. Yam labdha means yam yogam labdha, having accomplished the nirodha samadhi. Aparancha labham, any other gain, tataha adhikam na manyate. Na manyate is not considered. What is not considered? Tataha adhikam, that other gain to be superior to this yoga or abidance in the Atma. See, yoga means Atma samstam manaha. It is that moksha is swatmani avasthanam. So therefore, say, so adhikam na manyate, doesn't consider, means this is the highest accomplishment in light of which Vishaya Sukhas have no bearing. Vishaya Sukhas, because one who is Paramananda Swarupa, what these tinsels of Vishayas can give? Nothing. So therefore he has no fascination for that. They can't disturb him. Again further says, Yasmin Atma Tattva. Here Yam Labdva, yoga means Atma Labham. So not simply, we are not Ashtanga Yoga, no, we are concerned with the Atma Labha, Brahma Prapti. That is what is Yam Labdha. Yam Yogam Labdha means Atma Labham, having gained that Atma, having discovered the Atma directly with Sakshatkara. Why Nirodha Samadhi gives the Sakshatkara, Atma Sakshatkara, Brahma Sakshatkara. So that will say, again, Yasmin Sitaha, as a result of Nirodha Samadhi, Yasmin Sita means Atma Tattve Sitaha, abiding in the Atma Swarupa, Sitaha, Guruna Dukkhena Api Na Vichalyate. Na Vichalyate is not disturbed by what? Guruna Api Dukkhena, by sorrow, which is Guru means Mahan, Mahata Api Dukkhena. Even by great calamitous sorrow also, this yogi or this person who is so well rooted, who has got Dhrida Bhumi in abidance, in terms of abidance of in Atma Swarupa, say Na Gurunapi Dukkhena. Bhashyakara says, what is that Mahan Dukkha? Shastra Nipatadi Lakshanena Mahanapi Mahata Api Dukkhena. By a striking of a weapon, etc., such a great painful thing, even by that he is there. Why? Mind is not there, link of mind is not there to present the sorrow there. So, na vichalyate is not disturbed at all. Therefore, the Lord Krishna has showed that one who has got Dhrida Bhumi, so considers, for him there is no other greater gain than this, no sorrow can disturb him. Now, with the help of Kacha Vrittanta, so Kacha. Aparalabhasya anadhikyam Kacha Vrittantena Vasishtaha Udajahara. Vashishta Udajhara has described. What has described? Aparalabhasya anadhikyam means no other gain is surpassing to the Atma Samsthiti or this Nirodha Samadhi which gives the direct Sakshatkara of Atma. Aparalabhasya anadhikyam na adhikyam means no other gain can be surpassing to this gain. This is described by Vashishta by citing the case of Vrittanta. News means the case of Kacha. Kacha, who was practicing the Samadhi, Kadachit, once, Vyuthaya, having come out of that. From where Uthaya? Samadhi Uthaya, and being Pritamanasaha, with a delightful mind, with a happy mind, Ekanti, in a solitary place to himself he said, Ekanti, Idam, Evam, whatever this is going to be now told, Evam, Gadgadaya Gira, with the choked voice, Samuvacha. Voice gets choked when you have got intense sorrow or intense happiness. So he was so happy, so he just declared like this, he said like this. Kim karomi, what will I do? Why should I? Generally, what is the trend? Kuch na kuch karo. Kim karomi, what will I do? Kva gacchami, go somewhere. No, where can I go? I can't go. See? Means, kim karomi means, I can't do anything. To do what is required. Chalanatmakam karma. Some change is required. Is it not? Chalanatmakam karma. So why it is not possible? Second line gives answer. Kva gacchami, where can I go? Kim grinhami, what will I take to? Means get hold of. Kim tejami, what will I get rid of? Why? What is wrong? This is Sabaha bhantara deha atmana puritam vishwam. Vishwa, entire creation is what? Filled up with Atma means is nothing but Atma. How? Yatha Mahakalpambuna. Like the ocean during the Kalpa Pradaya. All ocean get together, there is no earth. What is there is only water and water. Everything else gets submerged in water. So now what will I do? To do what is required? Doer is required. Some means are required. Something is required. कुछ है ही नहीं है. सब कुछ क्या है? Atma hai. To go somewhere, what is that? The goer must be there. The one who wants to go, the destination must be there. Everything is Atma. To get hold of something other than me, can you get hold of yourself? No. So something else must be there. So give up something other than me must be there. Everything is Atma. This is not that he read some Shastras and started seeing. So because everywhere is Atma, no, Mundaka, etc. says, so no, that is what he directly discovered. Continuing. That Atmana Vishwam Puritam is further explained. See? Sabahya bhantare dehe, within and without the body, he indeed, adhaha, below, urdhvam, above, cha dikshu cha, in all quarters, itaha, from here, atma, itaha, atma. What is the next reading there? Tathaya. Tatheha atma. There is alternative reading is there. Tato hi atma. From here Atma, from there Atma. That is a better reading actually. Tato hi Atma. The here means Atma is here and there. Now here, Tatha iha Atma. If you take Tatheha Atma, see, Itaha Atma, from here Atma, so also here is from here Atma, means from here also is Atma. Na asti anatmamayam jagat. There is na kvachit. Here alternative is kvachit. Na asti kvachit. Nowhere anatma rupa jagat, or anatma rupa means jagat is not there. What is there? Only Atma and Atma alone. Continuing. Yatra aham na tat na asti. Yatra aham na tat na asti. There is not anything where I am not there. There is nothing where I am not there. Then says further, yat mai na asti, yat mai na tat na asti. There is nothing which is not in me. There is nothing. First he said what? There is nothing where I am not there. There is nothing that is not in me. So that is yat mai na tat na asti. Therefore, now he says, kim anyat abhivanchami. What else I can aspire for or desire for? Why? What you desire? Something other than yourself. There is nothing other than me, everything is Atma. Why I can't desire something else? Sarvam samvinmayam tatam. Everywhere samvinmayam, chaitanya rupam tatam vyaptam. Everything is nothing but samvinmaya, only the chaitanya and chaitanya alone. Then what about this Jagat? Such a vast creation is there. You are saying nothing is there, everything is Atma. This is what Jagat. All this Jagat Shri. Jagat Shri means this Vaibhava, this glory of Jagat, this wealth of Jagat, Jagat Shri. Do you know what is that? He says it is. Before that he says, first line. Sarve kulachalaha. Sarve kulachala. All the 7 mountains. You know, Puranically, kulachalas means 7 mountains which are said to uphold the earth. Various versions are there. It is on the head of Adishesha or something. So like that, it is all there. The way, some Puran description is there. Mountains, great mountains, 7 mountains which are said to uphold the earth. There must be some significance of that, some figurative meaning must be there. Anyway, Sarve Kulachalaha. Do you know what they? Kulachalaha are not ordinary mountains. Huge, they're very huge mountains. So therefore, Sarve Kulachala, Sphara Brahma Malambodhi Fena. They are like Fena, the foam in the Sphara. Sphara is vast, vast, ocean of vast, pure ocean of Brahma. Brahma Malambodhi. Amala is Nirmala, pure, free, actually free from creation. Ambodhi Fenaha. Ambodhi is ocean. So therefore all they are like the means in ocean how foam is insignificant. Where foam comes? When the waves come and lash. See, look, the waves that are coming from the interior of the ocean, unless they won't have this thing, they won't have the foam. When they lash on the beach, the foam comes. What is the magnitude of ocean and what are the tiny this thing of the foam as such? And what happens? Within no time that foam gets destroyed. So like that, these come and this creation come and go. Say, Fenaha, again, Jagat Shriyaha. So all the glories of this Jagat, do you know what is that? Chidaditya Mahatejo Mrugatrishna. Mrugatrishna means like the mirage of the sun, Mahateja, of the this bright and brilliant sun. What sun it is? Chidaditya. Chidaditya means the Chaitanya Sarvavyapi Chaitanya Rupa Atma Brahma is compared to a sun, a bright and brilliant sun. The mirage is out of so because of the rays of the sun. So likewise, say, so in the heat of the sun also. So likewise, all this glory of the Jagat, entire Brahmandas, all Indra Brahmandas are nothing but like the mirage water with respect to the sun of the great bright and brilliant sun of Chit Sarupa Aditya. This is no other gain is greater than this Atma Labha, which is gained by Nirodha Samadhi, is described. Now, Gurunapi Dukkhena na vichalyate. Even by great calamitous sorrow, this person who has accomplished Nirodha Samadhi and is abiding in the Atma Sarupa is not disturbed, is explained with the help of the Vrittanta. That means a narration about Shikidvaja, Chudala Upakhyana. Guru Dukkhena api avichalyatvam, not being disturbed by great sorrow. Udajahara is described, is narrated by Vrittanta, by the narration of Shikidvaja, who was in Samadhi for 3 years. Who was in Samadhi for 3 years. Kali Yuga is not possible. What's Samadhi Vrittantena Udajahara. Who Udajahara? Vasishtaha Udajahara. Vasishta has described. So Shikidvaja was an emperor and his wife was Chudala. This Chudala was a great jnani and also yogi. She taught Shikidvaja because Shikidvaja was a karmatha. See what? Moksha is such a great thing and you are talking of by such knowledge, etc. Is it possible? No. He was doing tapas after, but got disappointed. Chudala repeatedly taught him, but after all, who is she to teach me that attitude was there. Though she was a Mahatmyani. So finally it clicked. And he took to that and he got absorbed in his Swarupa. Chudala wanted to taste rice paka hai kya? Rice paka hai kya? Nahi hai karke she wanted to taste. And she tasted many ways. One of here the context is not getting disturbed by Mahata Dukkhena. That aspect is being described.
Nirvikalpasamadhistam tatra pasyan mahipatim rajanam tavadekasmat bodhayami parakara.
Tatra, in a forest, Nirvikalpasamadhistam mahipatim pasyan, seeing Mahipati the king, who means husband only, who Shikidvaja, were lost in samadhi, nirvikalpa samadhi, nirvikalpa samadhi, nirodha samadhi, asamprajna samadhi. Now what she determined? Rajanam tavat. Tavat means first of all, or indeed, certainly, Rajanam means her husband only. What is it? Parat padat bodhayami. I will awaken him from the parapada, the supreme state of abidance in the Atma Swarupa. That is what she thought. Chudala, not Chudala, it's the Akaranta feminine word. Kamala. Okay. This is Rama. Like that. It's not plural. Chudala. That's Rama. So that will say, Iti Sanchintya, having so thought, who Sa Chudala, that Chudala, the queen of Shikidvaja, Chudala, what did she do? Bhuyaha, Prabhoho Agre, in front of her husband, Prabho Agre, Bhuyaha Bhuyaha, repeatedly, what she did? Is Simvanadam Chakara. She roared like a lion. How? What type of roaring it was? Vanechara Bhaya Pradam. Frightening to the inhabitants of the forest, all animals, etc. Such a, those days, even in a battle, they used to do. Bhishma, no. Bhishma, before Mahabharata, he roared like a lion and then blew the conch. And that roaring all started shuddering. That means what? That shows the might. That shows the might. So therefore, frightening to the forest dwellers. So what happened? Nothing happened. Rama yada tena nadena saha na chachala. O Rama, by that lion roar, when the king did not got disturbed, he didn't get disturbed, na chachala. What she did, tada, then sa, who, Chudala, what she did, bhuyaha, bhuyaha, repeatedly, krutena api means by hand, physically, what she did, vyachalayat, tam vyachalayat, physically she started shaking who? Shikidvaja. Because hearing is different and physically shaking is different. More disturbance is there. So means Vyachalayat means she shook physically by her hand, Vyachalayat. Still he did not wake up from the samadhi. So what she did further? Patito pesha. Chalitaha, mood must have been dragged also. She must have dragged also. After all, husband only. No, not that way. No, that is the way. Because why? In fact, he will not recognize her as queen. Even if he wakes up, he will not immediately he will not recognize him as her as the queen. But suppose it's there after husband. Suppose somebody is there, from such a yogi will get the curse. Curse for a lifetime the fellow will get. Anyway, so that is there. Chalitaha, that means mood. Patitaha, made to fall. Api, even though Eshaha, Shikidvijaha, Tada, no, not at all. Tadaha, Eshaha, Tada, Eshaha, Buddha. This Buddha, Buddha means who? Jnani, means the king, Shikadvaja, Nau Bubhude, not at all, that means woke up, no, not at all woke up from the Samadhi. He means he did not wake up from the Samadhi. He was so well rooted. So means Mahata Dukkha also made to fall, made to fall, shaken. So he did not get up. Same thing, that is Guru Dukkhena Mahata Dukkhena api no, that is that yes, Avichalyatvam, not getting disturbed, again is described with the help of the illustration of Prahlada. Prahlada Vrittantena api, by the narration of Prahlada who was in Samadhi, is Etadeva Udajahara. Same thing. What is the same thing? Guru Dukkhena api Guru Dukkhena api Avichalyatvam, not getting disturbed by greater sorrow. Prahladaha Paraviraha, the great Prahlada, who was Paraviraha, Shatru Nashana, because he was the king, so he was enthroned. So, who Lord Vishnu enthroned him. Therefore, Shatrunashanaha iti sanchintayan. Iti sanchintayan means meditating in this manner. Earlier it must have told how this Nirodha Samadhi is to be practiced. Iti sanchintayan. Meditating thus. What did he begin? Samupayayau, attained. So what he says? Nirvikalpa Parananda Samadhim. Nirvikalpa Samadhi which bestows Paramananda. Samupayayau means attained with Sthairya, not simply attained. Attained with Dhrida Bhumi. Earlier was told, no, Dhrida Bhumi. With great rootedness, he attained Paravira. So then what happened? How long he was there? Because Panchavarsha Sahasrani, because it was not Kali Yuga. It was not Kali Yuga, it was that different. I think maybe Satya Yuga or Treta Yuga. Satya Yuga. Rama is in Treta Yuga. Satya Yuga must be. This must be Satya Yuga. Hiranyakashipu, etc. must be in Satya Yuga. They say in Kali Yuga the lifespan will come to 30, 20, 50, 10 years. Even maturity will be earlier also. Nirvikalpa Samadhisthaha, being rooted in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. You know what? How Prahlada appeared? Chitrarpitaha iva ababhav. He became. Who Prahlada appeared as Chitrarpitaha, like a picture painted on a canvas, so motionless. Like a picture painted on a canvas, so motionless, he became abhava. How long? Panchavarsha Sahasrani. So, for 5,000 years, what happened to the body? Did not the body decay? No. Pinangaha. Here Pinanga means not Pino Devadatta. Not fat, they say. Pinanga means with body fresh and bright. Because in Samadhi, do you know who takes care of the body? Parameshwara directly takes care of the body. Because of Parameshwara, this thing, the pranas are still functioning. It is fresh. So body fresh and bright. So Pinanga. Atishtat, remained. How? Ekadrak. What is Ekadrak? Having the Sakshatkara of Advaya Brahma. Ekadrak. having the Sakshatkara of Advaya Brahma. Vishnu thought enough because he has to rule the kingdom. So therefore Lord Vishnu is what? Awakening him. He didn't, then Lord Vishnu blew the conch, Vishnu blowing the conch. And thereafter he got off from the samadhi. Mahatman, Mahatman, O Mahatman, this O great soul, Samprabudhyasva, please wake up. Iti evam Vishnu udaharat. So who said? Vishnu said. Seeing, not waking up from the samadhi, what he did, says, Kakubham ganam dhvanayan. Kakubham ganam means the quarters. Dhvanayan means reverberating all the quarters by the very sound of the conch. Panchajanyam pradadbhav. Lord Vishnu blew the conch. Panchajanya means so powerfully he blew the conch. Mahata tena shabdena Vaishnava prana janmana. By that powerful sound, which was born of what? Janmanami Vaishnava prana. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam